Assalamu alaikum, dear viewer, welcome. So, right now I am on a beautiful scene of nature, like along with the road. You can see there is a river and railway line and some spare space for emergency vehicle stop. And this road is leading from the mountain. Mountain is on zigzag. You can see. You can also see the river, also zigzag. And this side is down, and this side is upper. So you can see the fogs, and you can see some beautiful scene of nature, like trees. The group of trees, there are in different groups, like smaller, medium and larger, huge. So this one is also beautiful. So you can see this one. These are also so beautiful, so beautiful scenes. Yeah, you can see this one. So where from is good. You can see this one. This one is also right now I am passing from a forest area. So there is a looking very good developments. Yeah, you can see the condition of road. So like excellent. You can see railway line, and the other hand you can see the river. The river is adding more beauty in this area. There are electric lines. So I am. So this signboard show you, because right now we are entering in Nevada state. You can see welcome to Nevada. Yeah, right now we are entered in Nevada, and these beautiful scenes are from Nevada entering. Yeah, beautiful mountain, beautiful road, zigzag road, and a good scene of fog, because this time is morning. Yeah, and you can see this one. You can see the other side. So beautiful. Oh, the group of trees. Yeah, you can see this one. The flowing of water. Little flowing of water. You can see. Yeah, this one is a railway line. Oh, this one is old building. So maybe I have no idea when this be built on that time. So this one is open area in mountains. So this area is also adding beauty of this nature. You can see other one. Oh, so beautiful, because I am on my vehicle, and I can on capturing these beautiful scene. You can see this one. Yeah, you can see this one. This one is also, I think, this one. So beautiful signboard on the road, and beautiful scenes, beautiful everyone. Thank you, dears. Lot of thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.